I was sent this under the desk electrical elliptical, and I'm so excited for it. I have it just up here right now just to show you what it looks like, but I am going to put it under the desk and I'll do a demo of how it works once it's on. One thing I noticed, it's heavy, but I like that it has this handle so that you can move it place to place. And then it has that nice flat bottom and then some grippies here so it doesn't slip. Okay, let me put it under the desk and let's get started. So you're gonna plug it in and turn it on. That is all you have to do there. And then you have a couple options. You can either use your finger to get it started, or it comes with this handy little remote, and the remote even has a little place to pop it. I'm gonna go barefoot, but you could also use shoes. And then here on the remote, I'm just gonna hit start. And it does start at 30 minutes. I'm already down like 15 seconds on there. This is a really easy mode. So let's go ahead and crank up the resistance. By switching around with the mode, I'm now going in reverse. You can go forward, you can go reverse. And one thing that's really neat is that it kind of guides your foot. So if I were to take my feet off, it's going to keep going. So I don't need to be the one that's activating it. And when you're working, it's kind of nice because your feet are just going and you don't even have to think about it. Okay, you can go pretty fast on this, up to 10. So this is your highest speed, and that is in reverse right now. And this is what speed 1 in forward would look like. So very slow. Setting the resistance on this is kind of the most trickiest part. It explains everything in the directions. But now that I got it set, it's pretty good. And this is at a higher resistance and a lower speed level. Now, if you listen, it's pretty quiet. So you can definitely hear it running, but it's pretty quiet overall. All right, so I am working out while I'm talking to you. Can you even tell my shoulders aren't moving or anything? Just my legs are getting that workout. So if you had to be on a conference call and you were able to mute your audio, no one would really know that you have an under the desk elliptical going, which is really cool. And even with the sound of it, it's pretty light. It's like whoosh, 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 whoosh. So it doesn't make a ton of sound, but this is great. I'm going to definitely keep it under my desk and use it all the time when I'm sitting here. And I think you're going to love it as well.